Alright, what's going on, y'all boys? Back with another video. Please let me know how y'all boys doing. I thank everyone who is returning to the videos, and I thank everyone who is new to the videos, man. But we're gonna get straight to the video. We want to go over to Hanko Trade. Now Hanko Trade is the broker that I use. Also, they do have a built-in software so that you can trade FOREX pairs, indices, etc. You want to essentially log in, provide an email, password, a birthday. You do not have to provide any sort of identification. All you need to do is just sign up, and that is why I love Hanko Trade. Once you have signed up, you should see a screen like this. Now I want to essentially go over Hanko Trade. We have the dashboard, we have the profile, copy trading, account operation, deposit, withdrawals, bonus, trading terminal. What I will be covering today is everything that you need to know. On the dashboard, we have the list of our live trading accounts, as we can see, and on the right hand side we have the demo trading. So I suggest going demo for all the boys who starting off doing this stuff, man. Go demo before you actually try to gain a quick profit and do live, bro. The copy trading is something that you do not have to worry about, man. This is a new feature that Hanko Trade actually added, but all this is basically is this allows you to copy the trades of people across the world, essentially copy their trades. So we have account operation. This here is where you make your internal transfers. So let's just say you want to take money from one account and add it to another account. You can do so doing internal transfers. Now you have change leverage. Now if you want to change leverage on one of your accounts, demo or live, you can do so doing this, as we can see on the screen. Now we have reset password. Now basically all this is here is basically allowing you to reset the password that they have prompted you with when you have first created the account, essentially. Now this is the main stuff that you need to worry about when essentially creating a Hanko Trade account. Now we have deposit. You want to click the account that you want to add the funds to, basically, and this will be a test right here. So I'll hit this account here, and then it will show your current balance of the account, and then you will hit USD. It will come here, the cryptocurrency. Now what you want to do, you want to have a external app that you could receive and send Bitcoin to. Select the deposit currency according to the external app that you are using. So mainly it will be Bitcoin. So I do Bitcoin as well. So you will hit proceed. Now the next step here is either you can copy this, or you could have the opportunity to scan, as you can see here. But what I normally do here is I copy the Bitcoin address, and I use Cash App for the people who are wondering. I just started using Coinbase, so basically what I do here is I copy the Bitcoin address and I put it over into Coinbase, and then what I do then is I send over the Bitcoin that I bought on Coinbase. Then it just sends to this Bitcoin address, which is this account here. It's the same thing for the QR code. Now you will just scan the QR code here on the external app that you are using, either Cash App or Coinbase, or just any platform that allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. Now we have the deposit transactions and the deposit history here. And so for the withdrawals, it's basically the same concept, but what we are doing here is we're doing the same thing, selecting the account that we want to withdraw from, and then we want to select the same cryptocurrency that we use to deposit the money. So that would be Bitcoin. Now what we want to do here is we will want to go to the external app that you are using, Cash App, Coinbase, Binance. you want to copy your Bitcoin address and just throw it in this form here, as we can see. Now, you want to make sure that the Bitcoin address, the crypto address that you use, that you copy, you want to make sure that it is the same address that you have put in this form here that you have got from the external app. Now, I say this because one wrong letter, one wrong number could lose you all your money. So you want to just make sure, double check, man. Y'all boys just be safe. Now the bonus is just Hanko Trade, the broker, giving you, the client, equity money. And all this is basically them giving you, equity. So if you put in 100, they'll match that 100. So you will have 200 leverage. So you'll be able to trade, more capital, basically. And history is basically all the bonus request history that you have. So now I want to actually get into creating the account. So first, what you want to do here is you want to, come over to dashboard. As we can see, now we have the add live account, add demo account. We actually do live account for the video. So we have account types: STP, ECN, ECN plus. All this here you don't have to worry about unless you want to, do copy trading. But I don't want to get into that in today's video. I just want to allow y'all boys to understand the fundamentals of, how to actually start trading today. What the STP is, basically it allows you minimum deposit of $10, the available base currencies. You get everything else that every other account types get, but the spreads are from 0.7 pips. But we are looking for our spreads from 0.0 pips. So basically the STP is, for people who cannot make a minimum deposit of $100. But the STP does indeed allow 0 commissions, negative balance protection, yes, max leverage, 1 to 5 as every other account type. But the only downfall to STP is the spreads, and that's basically it. With the ECN, this is highly preferred, for beginners and just in general. I highly recommend ECN. Minimum lot 0.01, max leverage 1 to 5, spreads from 0.0 pips, which is great. We come over here back to creating the live account. We hit ECN or STP, whichever one y'all boys want to do. It just depends on how much money you have, bro, how much money you can invest. So if you have 100 or more that you can put in, go ECN. If you have less than 100, go STP, man. It's nothing wrong with that, bro. Just, continue to build, bro, and then you'll be able to, go ECN, bro. Now for account denomination, select currency. You want to go USD. And now leverage. So depending on the trader that you are, 500 is the most leverage you can get with Hanko Trade. So basically what leverage is basically how much money you can risk. So if you have a higher leverage, you can risk more money. To give an example of what I'm talking about, y'all boys, let's just say y'all boys got $100 account, and let's say we have 500 leverage. We can risk up to $30 to $40, but let's just say we have a 200 leverage and we are trading with $100. We can maybe risk no more than $15 to $20 on that account. So basically, the more leverage you have, the more money that you can risk. So once you have did all of these steps, you should go ahead and proceed to hit open account. And now once you hit open account, I don't know if it will actually let me. Yes, it did. As we can see here, you will have all the credentials. As we can see, these credentials will be sent to the email that you have signed up with. So do not panic. It is sent to your email. Just make sure that the email is correct. Y'all boys can screenshot this if y'all want to. But now that we have the credentials, and this process applies to the demo account as well. What to do now is head over to Hanko Trade Live. Now, once we head over to Hanko Trade Live, we want to go over and get our trading ID here. As we can see, paste it in here, and then you want to get the password. And you want to put the password in here and just make sure it's correct. Now, depending on if you have made a live or demo, you want to go ahead and select whichever server type you have made. Now you want to do here is just log in, and it should be this here is where you guys will take your trades. Now I know it seems complicated, but basically this is, you know, where all the trades will be taken. Now here at the left you have, you know, forex, the forex pairs, you have the indices, the commodities, the cryptos, but stocks cannot be traded, as Hanko Trade does not allow stocks to be traded. But we do have indices though, you know, US 30, NASDAQ, SPX. We have the essentials. We have the essentials, man. Hanko Trade, I won't lie, Hanko Trade is a good broker. I have been using them for years now, and you know, I had a couple of errors, but they have been resolved. You know, it's a great team, great broker overall, man. But basically we have the quantities, the lots that, you know, you can place here, that you can place your trades here. You know, buy, sell. You have your sell limits, you have your sell stops, and you have your market orders. But I don't want to really get into, you know, the whole breakdown of this website and how to use it. I just want to get over the basics. I may make another video on, you know, the process of how to navigate through Hanko X. But I hope y'all boys enjoyed the video. I hope y'all boys have a nice day, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Kobe out.